All right, I'm going to show you how to log into the Woo app here to add products for your golf cart website through your phone. And it's set up to auto optimize your photos when you upload. All right, so you type in your domain, hit continue. You're going to type in then on the next page your user login, same that you have in WordPress for the website that you would do on your computer. Just paste that in there. Click continue, then it loads this up. And once you load, or it shows here, you will then click on the products down the bottom, and you can remove or delete or photos and products here. Let's show you real quick. Click on products, loads up, it'll show all your products here. You click the plus in the top right hand corner if you want to start with a brand new product. I did create a template here that you can work off of. So you just click that, hit the 3 dots in the right corner, duplicate. You'll duplicate the product. Then you can come in here, change the title, the description, the categories, short description, same as you would on the computer. The main thing here is click the add product image. And take a photo. Take a photo right here, working. So this is a 1 meg photo. You'll see that once I upload it up, it will actually be under 100 KB on the website. So it's auto sizing it down right now through the website. So your phone photos will be a lot smaller, which is what we want when using directly from the phone to the website, so it's not slow loading. You'd hit publish in the top right there if you want to go live with this product. Otherwise, it will automatically save it as a draft here, as you can see. You can go back. You can then, if you want to see your products in here to update them, you just pull the list down. It'll auto load them in. All right, and that's how you upload products through your phone with photos. Now I'm going to show you after we use the Woo app with our phone here on the right. If I refresh here on the desktop, logged into the website, you will see the media folder here, and the photo that I added is now showing, and you will see that it's 131 KB versus over a 1 meg that it was when I showed you in the example. So it auto optimized the photo from my phone to the WordPress website when I added a new product. And if we go into the products, you will see the new product that I added when I duplicated down here. So here's the template one that I was creating. All right, hope that's helpful, and have a good day.